Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check the route between two specific points in the Waze app. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see the search bar. Go ahead and tap on it to begin entering your first location. This search bar is your starting point for planning any route, and it's easily accessible from the main screen. Once the search bar is active, type in your first location. This could be an address, a landmark, or even a business name. Waze will start suggesting locations as you type, making it easier to find exactly what you're looking for. The app's search function is pretty smart and will pull up relevant results quickly. After you've entered your first location and it appears on the screen, you'll notice an option that says More. Tap on this button to reveal additional options for this location. This is where Waze gives you more control over how you want to use this address in your route planning. From the menu that appears, select the option that says Set as Start Point. This is a crucial step because it tells Waze that you want to begin your route from this location rather than your current position. This feature is particularly useful when you're planning a trip in advance or checking routes for someone else. Now tap on the search bar once again at the bottom of the screen. This time you're going to enter your destination or the second point you want to check the route to. Type in the address or location name just like you did with the first point. And there you have it. Once you've entered your second location, Waze will automatically display the route between these two specific points. You'll be able to see the entire path, estimated travel time, and any traffic conditions along the way. This gives you a complete overview of the journey between your chosen locations without having to actually be at the starting point. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.